I'm Chandan Kumar KV, and I'm a 2025 pass out graduate, and I have passed out from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. And I am very grateful for my faculty members with a 2.8 LPA package, and I am very grateful to these faculties who have groomed me and brought me till now. And I have completed my and I am had pursued the course in JSpiders with full stack development with DevOps, and I have got placed for the role called Cloud Trainee Engineer in ISMO Private Limited. And I'm very grateful to all my faculties and HRs, and they have groomed me and brought me till the interview processes, and they have guided me till now, and they are still guiding me to how to go and how to express myself. And I was an introvert, and now I have able to attend the interviews with confidence. Thank you for all my faculty members and HRs. I am very grateful to Kavita ma'am and Priya ma'am who are my HRs, and I am very grateful to Sangeeta ma'am who have trained me in DevOps, and I am very grateful to Kashi sir who has trained me in Python. Thank you for the whole JSpiders Basavanagudi team, and I am very grateful to them.